When ammonia is added to green aqueous solution of nickel to sulphate, the color of the solution changes to blue-violet. This is due to the options are nickel undergoing change in the oxidation state, ammonia replaces water molecules surrounding the nickel, change in the coordination number of the nickel, change in pH value of the solution. So the given complex or given solution is nickel to sulphate, and they have mentioned the aqueous solution. So this may be present as NiSO4 times XH2O, where water molecules act as ligands. And this is green in color. Say you are going to add ammonia to the solution, then the color changes to blue-violet. The question is, why is this so? So you are going to add NH3 to this, and the common thing between these two, both of them are the monodentate ligands and both of them are neutral ligands. As a result, the nickel, which is in 2 plus oxidation state, will have Ni2 plus oxidation state here also, since they are neutral ligands and the monodentate. So there is no change in the coordination number of the nickel, because again ammonia is a monodentate ligand just like water. So what is the possibility then? The XH2O, when the aqueous solution was there, that becomes XNH3, where ammonia is going to replace water molecule surrounding nickel. So the option B would be the answer.